Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. Today's style was inspired by Logan Browning, and it was also cute. She wore it last year sometime, and I didn't see anyone with the style tutorial on YouTube, so I had to be the one to do it. It's too cute to go without being seen. So I really couldn't get a real clear view of it since she showed like a mirror picture, but we're gonna do the best that we can. And I will only be using my hair for this style. So for those of you who wanted to see a natural hair tutorial, this is it. So I'm gonna start by parting here. My hair is slightly damp, and I've already done, this was a wash and go, using my fave Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed. How could I forget the name of my favorite gel? I think it would be a lot easier if I style as I go along, so I'm gonna go ahead and with this section, we'll basically re-wet it. And I'm gonna go ahead and brush it down. Again, guys, I used my Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. That's my favorite. I just sprayed myself. Spray the ends of my hair. You may want yours to be wet, so then your buns will be a lot larger. But me, I really don't care. Try to get that curl going just a tad bit. I'm going to pull this section of my hair to the back. It's your choice. You can leave a piece out, a little curl that will be real pretty. I decided to put mine away. And guys, please don't confuse the fact that my hair lays down with the fact that my hair is tight, because my hair is never tight. Never too tight. Okay, it just slicks down really well. So now I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to pretty much curl my bun up. I take the end, curl it like towards the inside of the bun, and I'm going to pin the end on the inside and open it up so that my bun looks like this. You guys see that? Now my only struggle will be making sure that all parts are straight, okay? Exactly what I did previously. I'm gonna try and perfect that look once again. I think this is it, y'all. I think I got it. That's good enough for me. And what's important here is that we have those two ponytails in the same location pretty much. I'm gonna start by parting my hair across. Right here. I need to make sure that that part is straight. Okay. Okay, that looks a lot better. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and follow those same exact steps. Now you just want to make sure they're all open and they kind of hit each other just a tad bit across there. And we're moving on up. So now I'm doing a part that's the best we're gonna get. And what are we doing here, guys? The same exact thing. And this time when I do my ponytail, I'm going to take it down. Well, my bun. I'm going to take it down. Follow those same exact steps again. The center of my hair is my shortest area because I experienced a lot of breakage there. So yeah, that's why it looks short like that. So we have one bun going down so far. And now we're in the front of the head. And I will be using my edge control. I've been using these edge controls for a month now. They were sent to me by the company First Touchdown. These are edge tamers. And my fave is the Ultimate Touch. I have the Ultimate Touch, Super Touch, and Maximum Touch. So far, I have been really using the Ultimate Touch. It is my all-time fave. Next up, if I notice I need just a tad bit more hold, I'll use the Super Hold. I don't use the Maximum. This is something serious, you know, for the ladies who say nothing holds their hair down. I'm positive this will probably get the job done. I used it just to see how it would work on my hair, and my hair it just wouldn't move, and it was just kind of like, I just didn't like it. If you make a mistake, I just felt like it was stuck, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And it really doesn't take a lot for my hair, so it was a bit much. So yeah, definitely for you ladies who need, you know, those edges sleek and it's really hard to get it done, definitely go for this. These products are not in stores yet, but they will be soon. So if you see it in your local beauty supply store, be sure to scoop them up. They're in these real pretty colors, so I seriously doubt you can miss them. But yeah, if your hair is anything like mine, the Ultimate Touch and Super Touch will do. For now, I will be using the Ultimate Touch, which has the softest hold. I'm going to show you guys how it works. I'm going to add some around the front of my ponytail. Oh, and I didn't mention that This has argan oil and tea tree oil in it. So you'll also get the shininess that we all love from edge controls. No flaking. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and brush that to the back. I just want to show y'all that because for whatever reason, people feel like when they see my hair sleek like this, that my hair is tight. And I'm just like, no, I'm really able to slick my hair down fairly easy for the most part. And it's not tight. So yeah, we're gonna take this ponytail to the back. And I will be wetting the ponytail. Just had to show you guys how that edge control works. Had to brag just a little bit. My ponytail is not tight, guys. And it's extremely sleek and shiny. Just looks really moisturized. Okay. I don't have any hair sticking up like I do on the sides. I'll use a bit of my edge control to, you know, slick down those sides as well. I see a little hair is sticking up. So yeah, we're just trying to get some curl going here in this section here before we do our final puff ball. This is a very easy style. She actually had it on with a gown, so it looked, well, she actually had this style when she was wearing a gown, like she had went to some sort of event, and it was just so beautiful. I'm going to follow the same exact steps. Taking this bun down, pinning it, pinning those ends on the inside. So therefore the bun, it falls into that one. There's a slight space, and then we have these three. And it looks like that. Now the only thing I should have done was wrap some hair around here to hide the hair bow. Okay, we're going to freshen up those edges. And like I said, I'm going to slick down the hairs that are sticking up on the sides. Just going to put a tad bit on my finger and kind of rub it over the area. It's just that simple. See those waves popping? Really doesn't take a whole lot. So I'm going to use my comb to just frame my face just a bit. Okay, guys. So that is it. This is our style. Very simple. Still very cute. Obviously, it can pass for an elegant style as well because she wore it to the awards. Sorry, she did. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys enjoyed this style, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. What are you waiting on? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.